Hello, wonderful Igbo people. Today, being the Democratic Day, June 12, 2026, as the president of the Igbo nation in diaspora, I'm telling all the Igbo youth around the world to use the Democratic Day to end the Civil War defeat syndrome, to end political sellouts, to end slave mentality, to end envy and show others that you can rise like Peter Obi without selling your brother, without insulting the Igbo race for your political journey. No more second-class thinking because real Igbo pride over defeat syndrome. Last but not the least, we did not lose the war. The whole world descended on us. Even the almighty US will lose a war if the whole world descended on them like they descended on the Igbo in 1967. For Kenneth Okonkwo, chief priest, and other Igbo politicians that uses Biafra war to subjugate us into submission shows that they are suffering from Civil War defeat syndrome, a slave mentality. They have this slave mindset that you must be in second position. Reject that mentality of being in second position. They say Igbo love money and can sell their people for money. Tell them that Mazin Nandikan is still in prison, while Sunday Igboho is in a hotel enjoying life. Don't allow anybody to write your story, and don't allow them to blackmail you into submission. That's the message I am giving you today. Thank you, and may God bless all of you.